Have you missed out on the gold rally? Well, you might be in luck. There's another commodity that is undervalued against gold. Now, if you guessed that it was silver, you'd be absolutely right. And you may have already seen me do previous videos on silver when it was around $22 at the beginning of the year. And we had a little look at the gold silver ratio at the time, and we found that silver was really undervalued against gold. Now, I've done some more research and I've come to the conclusion that silver could still rally. Unlike gold, silver hasn't come back to its all-time highs. In fact, it hasn't come back to the $48 highs that were made back in 2010. And that's where I think price could go to in the near future. And the reason why I think that is for multiple different reasons. The first reason, silver is used for making jewelry. It's used for making EVs, it's used for making solar panels, it's used in electronic components, which we know we are in that age where we're seeing increased production of these products, especially when it comes to solar panels and EVs. As well as this, the global silver deficit is projected to grow by 17% in 2024. And that is largely going to be driven by the demand for silver for industrial consumption. Some research from the University of New South Wales suggests that the solar sector alone could contribute to 85 to 98% of silver consumption by 2050. And with global markets looking to move to renewable energies, looking to produce renewable energy, solar panels are going to be in demand, especially in China, where they're looking to surpass more installations than the US this year. There is also growing concerns with the supply of silver, as 80% of silver comes from mining other precious metals, including the likes of gold, copper, lead, and zinc. So let's go jump on the chart. Let's see if there's any kind of opportunities for us as traders to capitalize on any kind of silver moves. So we can see silver trading around about $32 at the moment, and we are fastly approaching these highs back in October of 2012. So that's what I'm going to be really focusing on. This is a monthly chart as well, so there's plenty of room to the upside. We've got the highs back in 2012, and we've also got the highs here back in 2011 around about that $48 level. So are we going to see a rapid rise higher? That is what I'm looking for in this market. Now, as traders, obviously we want to be looking for those retracement phases in the market. Don't really want to be buying those highs there. So I'm going to set some alerts around about this $30 level. We can see that buyers have stepped back in here in the past, so I wouldn't mind seeing price come down towards $30. We've also got this kind of pause in the market, just a little bit lower, around about $29.80. So those levels down here are really where I'd want to see price come into. We've also got the 50 moving average here as well, price well above that, showing momentum to the upside. So I wouldn't mind seeing price even move down towards $30, or maybe even sort of around about that $28 level before looking for an entry into silver. And if we do, we can look to target previous highs as well as $35, $37, eventually potentially that $48 level that was seen back in 2011. Now, this would be a good area for entry because buyers have come back in. Would I want to get involved right now? Absolutely not. I'd only get involved now if you're looking at it from an investment point of view, if you want to hold physical. Alternatively, price could potentially come back down towards this $30 level, and then you can look to target around about that $35 to $48 on a potential move here. So thanks for watching this video update. Let me know your thoughts on silver in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing from you. Speak to you soon.